Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by combining sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy saucepan. This prevents crystallization and gives a clear candy. Heat over medium-high while stirring until dissolved, then stop stirring so the syrup can climb in temperature evenly. Once the mixture reaches a steady boil, clip on a candy thermometer and monitor carefully. This controls the final texture. Make sure to prep molds and sticks now, because timing is crucial. When the syrup reaches the correct temperature, you continue by bringing the syrup to the hard crack stage, 300 degrees F, which makes lollipops hard and glossy. Accurate heat equals proper snap. Once boiling starts, avoid stirring to prevent sugar crystals. Gently brush down sides with a wet pastry brush if needed. As soon as the thermometer hits 300 degrees F, remove from heat to prevent burning. Then add flavor, oil, and coloring. Stir briefly but efficiently, because the syrup cools quickly and you want even dispersion before molding. You pour the hot syrup into molds and set sticks in place. Pour with a steady wrist to avoid air pockets and make sure sticks are aligned. Let lollipops cool undisturbed 15-20 minutes until fully hard, then pop them out and wrap individually to keep moisture out. If the syrup crystallizes or becomes grainy, don't panic. Reheat gently with a tablespoon of water until smooth, strain to remove crystals, and restart the pouring step so you preserve texture and shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.